I tested 50 Agentic AI courses, and honestly, most of them were not worth your time. Some were too basic, some were outdated, and some only used the term Agentic AI for marketing. So in this video, I'll show you the top 5 Agentic AI courses that are actually useful in 2026. I ranked them based on curriculum depth, real projects, tools covered, pricing, and career support. Because learning Agentic AI is not just about watching videos or collecting certificates. You need to build agents that can reason, retrieve data, use tools, remember context, and complete tasks. A strong course should teach LLMs, RAG, embeddings, vector databases, and tool calling. It should also cover modern frameworks like LangGraph, CrewAI, AutoGen, and OpenAI Agents SDK. Most importantly, it should make you build real projects, not just follow simple guided labs. So before choosing any course, ask one question: will this help me build real AI systems? Let's start with number 5, LangChain Academy and the LangGraph course. This is the official learning path from the creators of LangChain. It is free, self-paced, and usually takes around 4 to 6 hours to complete. The biggest reason this course matters is LangGraph. Earlier, many LLM apps were built using simple chains, but production agents need more control. LangGraph helps you manage state, memory, loops, retrees, and multi-step decision flows. That matters when your agent has to plan, search, use tools, verify, and then answer. You also learn concepts like persistence, streaming, and human-in-the-loop workflows. This is useful for serious agent apps where the task cannot be completed in one simple prompt. The best part is that the course comes directly from LangChain, so the content stays current. Since LangChain changes fast, official training is safer than random outdated tutorials. But this course is not for absolute beginners. You should already know Python, APIs, LLM basics, and some LangChain before starting. Also, there is no mentor, no resume help, and no placement support. So choose LangChain Academy if your goal is to master LangGraph deeply. My advice, don't just watch it. Build a research agent with memory and human approval. At number 4, we have AI Agentic Design Patterns with AutoGen by DeepLearning.AI. This is a short skill-up course, not a full bootcamp or professional degree. It can be completed in around 1.5 hours, so it is quick and focused. The main focus is Microsoft's AutoGen framework. AutoGen is useful for multi-agent conversations, coding agents, and collaborative AI workflows. You learn how agents can talk to each other, divide tasks, use tools, and solve problems together. This is very helpful if you want to understand how multi-agent systems actually behave. The course is direct, practical, and does not waste time on unnecessary theory. Another strong point is that it is taught by people close to the AutoGen ecosystem. So if you want a quick AutoGen introduction, this is one of the best places to start, but it will not make you job ready by itself. It does not deeply cover Python, machine learning, RAG, deployment, or interview preparation. There is also no placement help, no resume review, and no long-term mentorship. So treat this as an add-on course, not your main Agentic AI roadmap. My advice, take it after you understand basic LLM apps and want to explore AutoGen. At number 3, we have IBM RAG and Agentic AI Professional Certificate on Coursera. This is a certification program, and it is beginner-friendly. The duration is around 3 months if you study 10 hours per week. It is included in Coursera Plus, so it is more affordable than most boot camps. The course covers RAG systems, React agents, and conversational assistants. You also see enterprise AI concepts and IBM tools like Watson's. The biggest advantage is brand value. IBM can look good on your LinkedIn profile. If you are new to AI agents, the explanations are simple, structured, and easy to follow. It is a good starting point if you want to understand the language of Agentic AI. But the coding difficulty is lighter than Udacity or LogicMojo. Many labs are hosted environments, which makes practice easy but less realistic. The issue is that hosted labs can hide real setup problems. So when you build from scratch later, you may still struggle with debugging. Job support is also limited. You mostly get access to a general job platform. So IBM is best for beginners who want structure, affordability, and certificate value. My advice, use IBM for foundation, but add your own RAG and agent projects. At number 2, we have Udacity's Agentic AI Nanodegree. Udacity is known for polished videos, structured lessons, and strong project-based learning. The duration is around 2 to 3 months if you study 10 hours per week. The cost is usually around $249 monthly or around $999 one time, but Udacity often runs big discounts, so check offers before paying full price. This course focuses more on building than theory. You work with advanced prompting, LangChain, and multi-agent orchestration. The strongest point is human project review. Someone checks your project and tells you why your agent failed or how to improve it. This feedback is valuable because AI agents often fail in small but confusing ways. Udacity projects can also look strong on GitHub if you complete them properly. This makes Udacity useful for developers who want portfolio-ready projects. But there are drawbacks. The subscription model can become expensive. If you delay completion, your total cost can increase quickly. Also, job support is limited to resume, LinkedIn, and GitHub review. There are no direct referrals or placement guarantees. So choose Udacity if you want strong projects and expert feedback, but can stay disciplined. My advice, complete it quickly and put every project properly on GitHub. And at number 1, my top pick is LogicMojo AI and ML Course. This is different because it is a bootcamp-style program, not just self-paced videos. It is designed mainly for working professionals who want to switch into AI roles. The duration is 7 months with weekend live classes. The cost is around 65,000 to 85,000 rupees, with EMI options available. The course starts from Python basics, then moves into machine learning and deep learning. After that, it covers generative AI, LLMs, RAG, and agentic AI systems. The agentic AI coverage is strong because it includes LangGraph, Crew AI, AutoGen, and OpenAI Agents SDK. So you are not learning only one framework, you are learning the broader AI agent ecosystem. Another strong point is project depth. The program includes more than 10 end-to-end projects. You build locally or on cloud environments, which is closer to real work than guided browser labs. This is harder, but it prepares you better for interviews and actual AI project work. Live classes also help when you get stuck in setup, math, coding, or project errors. The biggest point is career support. LogicMojo includes resume help, mock interviews, job leads, and referral support.